usually at claim time. But we'll take a little closer look in a second. So where do we fall at Canada Protection Plan? We're not fully medical underwritten, and we're not guaranteed issue. We are looked at as simplified issue insurance. So what is simplified issue? Simplified issue means there are going to be some questions asked. And these questions that we've created, and you'll see in a second when John comes on, are very specific questions. Why is that a good thing? By asking specific questions, we could differentiate between different risks. So somebody could be very high risk, somebody could be a lower risk, still have medical issues, but they will qualify for different products, lower premium. We can also offer a lot higher face amounts because we ask these questions. There's still no medical, there's still no APS, and we can still get the client coverage within a couple of days. Because we ask these questions, our claim experience is a lot closer to traditional insurance than to guaranteed issue insurance. And we'll talk about that in a second. So simplified issue is kind of a hybrid between your fully medical underwritten products and your guaranteed issue products. When you look at a guaranteed issue product, this is kind of an example of what a health disclaimer looks like. So usually when somebody buys a product like this, they don't really read the fine prints. And hopefully they do, because they have to read that they're signing off on the fact that they don't have any of these conditions. If they sign off and God forbid they die in a couple of years, what's going to happen is the insurance company is going to look a little bit closer. They're going to go and really get to the bottom to see if they have any of these issues. And if they do, it could be a problem when paying out the claim, and we'll talk about that. So as an advisor, the key thing is when you think about marketing, when you think about how do I get more clients, you want to educate. You want to let them know these differences, because once you educate them, you're showing them your value. You're showing them that they can. Really get a better product for a cheaper amount of premium. I'm going to hand it over to John. John's going to talk about the landscape a little bit and what's the differences in the simplified products that are in the marketplace today. So here he is, John Bellino.
Thanks, David. I'm a bilingual underwriter here at Canada Protection Plan. I've been working at Canada Protection Plan for 2.5, almost 3 years now. And so what I'll do is we'll talk a little bit about the products. Mostly what I want you to walk away from, at least my part of the discussion with